In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Public.com, a social investing app that appeals to beginners, but also has some interesting features for more experienced investors. If you're curious about using it in 2025, here's what works well, what doesn't, and whether it might be a good fit for you. What Public.com does really well? It's very accessible. You can trade stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, and even some alternative or collectible investments, often with fractional shares, meaning you don't need a huge balance to get started. The app has a social investing component. You can follow other investors, see their trades or ideas, and engage in a community. For beginners, this is super helpful. It makes investing feel more collaborative and less scary. They offer a high-yield cash account, which is unusual for a brokerage. You can earn interest on your uninvested cash inside the app, making it more than just a trading account. The user interface is clean, modern, and designed to be intuitive, especially on mobile. For many, using Public feels friendly and less intimidating than traditional broker platforms. The drawbacks and caveats: Public.com does not support retirement accounts like IRAs, so if you're investing for long-term retirement, you'll need another platform. Some of the more advanced research tools, analyst ratings, deep financial data are only available if you pay for their premium plan. The bond offering is interesting, but not without risk. Some users have pointed out that the locked-in rate bond ladder includes below investment-grade bonds, which means higher risk. Customer support is mostly via email or chat, and some users report slow response times or app bugs. Social investing is double-edged. It can be motivating, but it also opens the door to following others without doing your own research. There's a risk of making impulsive decisions. Safety and trust. Public.com is regulated and uses high-level security measures like two-factor authentication. For cash, your funds are FDIC insured through partner banks, and your brokerage assets are covered by SIPC protection up to standard limits. Who Public.com is best for? Beginners who want a simple, social way to start investing. People who like to follow others' ideas and learn from a community. Investors who want fractional shares and don't need retirement account features. Those who want to earn interest on uninvested cash in their account. Who might want something else? Investors looking for advanced research or deep fundamental tools. People who need retirement account support. Very risk-averse investors who don't like bond risk or alternative investments. My verdict: Public.com is a modern, community-oriented platform that lowers the barrier to entry for investing. It's especially strong for first-time investors who want to learn and grow. But it's not a full-service broker for everything. If you prioritize retirement accounts or deep analytics, you might use it alongside something else, not as your only investing tool. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Public.com or are thinking of using it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest and easy-to-understand investing app reviews.